Oh, how do I upload this? Hold on. I'm trying to think of what's the best way to share this with you lovely folks. um, uh, Alright, so, oh wait, hold on. Shoot, sorry. I'm surprisingly bad at technology, you guys, and you're just now discovering that. I tried to hide it as long as I could, but, no, I just don't understand how technology works. It's this newfangled technology. Back in my day, used to, sorry. Oh wait, hold on. Shoot. It's totally worth it, you guys. I swear to you. It's gonna, once you guys, when you see the photo, it's gonna be all worthwhile. Alright. Oh, I can just pull it up on my screen. I don't have to. I don't actually have to upload it anyway. All right. So right. Almost there. Almost there, you guys. Totally swear. All right. There we go. All right. Sorry for all the delay. That was really difficult for some reason. I'm gonna switch over to Facecam for a second, just so I can, because I just emailed it to myself. Because I'm a technophobe. I don't know how to do. All right, so sorry. You know, it's just there's the reason it took me so long is because because like I said, I look a lot older without the goatee and the mustache, but I didn't want to find a photo that was so bad that like, because like I look really bad without it, so I had to find one that made me look at least a little okay. So here, this is the best one I could find. So please please, please don't be too cruel when you when you sorry, I just so yeah, so I'm just not I, that's what I look like, you guys, without the without all this going on. So now you know. Yeah, I'm an elderly person. I don't know how to use technology, but I can't keep it a secret anymore. So actually, the thing that really got me is I didn't notice it until after I'd already put it up on screen. But if you if you look, oh, so yeah, what I was doing the whole time that I was pretending to be looking for a photo is I was downloading an app to make you look really old. And I was setting it up, but the thing I didn't realize is that I actually now have two sets of eyebrows because I didn't line it up properly. So yeah. Anyways, hold on, what is this? Wait a second. Oops, I still scrolled up. I clicked the link and it was. I remember that one. See, but I still look young because I do still have the goatee and the mustache. All right. So I think I'm done with this project. Who was it that Raz, were you the one who said that I never finished a project? Well, bam, we did it. It's done, you guys. We just started and finished a project all in one fell swoop. So when I say it's done, I'm actually going to put in more text. So there'll be more than just 5 lines. I want to come up with a lot of text. So, but I mean, like, mechanically, I'm pretty sure the game is like legit done now, so yeah, eat it. This project this project is great. This is gonna make waves in the what was it, the indie film scene, or I forget where we decided it belongs. All right, so cool. Oh, wait, actually, yeah, one thing. Instead of just having it say "Hello World" at the start of the project, you might as well not have it do that. So I'll just start the text scroll off the screen. So now it should start with something new coming in from the side. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Oh yeah, I guess. Is this actually the speed that we want? I could drop it down slightly, right? I could drop it down a little bit slower. It's just a little, like, hitchy as it scrolls, so... I mean, I could do fixed update. I don't know if that would make it look better. It's just a little, like... I don't know, it doesn't scroll as smoothly as I would have liked it to. I'm gonna see if fixed update doesn't fix it. So yeah, let's do fixed update instead, and that means instead of time, everywhere we would have used time.time, we'll use time dot fixed time. It's just here. All right. So it's fixed delta time, I think, or delta fixed time, fixed delta time, fixed delta time. Oops. Yeah. Alright, so let's see if that's not better. I mean, I guess actually it's kind of nice if it has the hitchy... Oh, that's actually much smoother, right? No, not perfect. But I think the hitchy, like, little, like, jumpiness is probably fine because, we're trying to make a project that looks like old bad technology. Sorry. Alright, so save and... close. Look, it's so done that I'm closing Unity. Closing it forever. And I'm going to uninstall Unity. And, do you guys remember this stupid project that we were working on before? Do you remember this stupid project that's a jerk and what the heck? Sorry, that was a bit harsh, but, remember this? Alright, I'm going to do something fun. I'm going to move this print down. I'm gonna move it right next to this other print. So look at this. We're gonna, if I understand correctly, well, actually no, I guess it would be interesting to see what Kurev type thinks it is up here. So I'm gonna leave it in both places. So now hypothetically we should see it print 3 times. We should see it print here, which it had been doing. We should see it print here. And then we should see it print here, which it hadn't been doing. So like, hypothetically now, it should say event type 0, event type 0, event type 0, for example. Or event type 1, event type 1, event type 1, for example. But, yeah. I could actually make the font worse. Although then I'd have to open up the project again. I can make next time I go back to the project, when I go in to slap in some more of those more of the action phrases, I can put in some actually, you know what, I need to come up with more of these, so I should come up with more of them now. So okay, so so I want a good balance of things that you feel like you should do and things that you feel like you shouldn't do, or not things that you feel like you should or shouldn't do, but things that you might want to do given a particular mood. So like press W to cause a star and distant galaxies to explode. This is kind of like the psychopath one. It's like, I don't know. If you press that, it's because you're a terrible person. In the abstract. Remember your first crush, press M for the moment that I think you do. So that's a mood one. That's like, you're not going to feel like you should or you shouldn't. You're going to feel like, maybe I will, maybe I won't. Yeah, so Fuzzy Boy, that, I can't deny the impact that had on my thought process for this project. I think it was I think it yeah, it must have been just the social or like the popular media saturation of that meme that that made me start thinking about this project. But uh oh wait, hold on. Oh, cool. Hey, I used to work on accounting software. That's where I got my start. Yeah, I didn't go to school for games. I went to school to make like HR and payroll stuff like that. And then for my senior project, I made a I made a raid program like a raid manager for World of Warcraft guilds. Because it's like I don't know, it's basically like HR software for games. And I was like, heck with this, I'm gonna go make games. Yeah. So that's awesome, Tom. Though that is really cool. Uh, oh yeah, so the criteria for these things is that it has to be something that that works. Like it has to be something that literally works. By which I mean, um, it has like the player has to. So like for example, press W to cause a star in a distant galaxy to explode. Okay, so the user presses W, and it worked. It totally worked, right? I don't know if that makes sense. So hey, welcome. Well, Zorgsoft, welcome to the stream. Thanks for tuning in. Right, so the player presses W, and a star in a distant galaxy exploded. Clearly, they press M, and for a fleeting moment, their first crush thought of them. Clearly, this worked. So, well, I mean, I guess you guys saw the code base, so I guess you guys see like how it works. But yeah. So inside you right now, an unknown, relatively harmless virus. So yeah, this is yeah. So this is one that you don't necessarily want to do, but like you might do it on a whim because it's like one of those like devilish moments where like there's a button that says do not press, and so of course you press it. This is just, yeah, this one's like sentimentally driven, so you know I guess I should start organizing these. So oh well, actually, well no, I guess they kind of are organized a little bit in that like these ones on the bottom are kind of the ones that you'll probably want to do. Actually no, I guess this one is kind of like mood based a little bit. No, but I think overall it's going to fall into the category of things you basically want to do. So so yeah, let's try and come up with things you don't necessarily want to do, or things that you might want to do conditionally. So press W to cause a star in a distant galaxy to explode. So yeah, so we have a psychological effect. We have a microbial effect, or like a like a micro scale effect. We have a macro scale effect. We have, actually, I guess these are both kind of emotional effects, or emotional or psychological effects. So I could have a negative psychological effect. Oh, press. Press S to make a politician sneeze. Oh, we do have S already, though. I might go with, like, N. Or, maybe G for Gesundheit. I'm putting this in the, maybe you will, maybe you won't category, because, I don't know, sometimes you might be feeling sympathetic towards a politician. What was I gonna put here? It was gonna be oh yeah, right. To press something to unearth in your psyche a unearth in your psyche Uh, Unearth in your psyche uh, this one's gonna be bad, you guys. Unearth in your psyche a horrific childhood memory. Um, Unearth in your psyche a horrific childhood memory have fully repressed. it will it will it will your dreams for years to come. Sorry. um if so, okay, so yeah, something you want to do. So if you press oh wait, I didn't come up with a character for that. I'll come up with a character later. So something you want to do: sandwich for orphans or sandwich for hungry child. Press something. If you press something now, a hungry child will will find a hungry child will find the half a will find half uneaten sandwich cleanly wrapped and still a bit warm. Jason. Ooh, I don't know what chakra is, but I think I get where you're going with that one. Fuzzy boy, that's not nice. Press Alt F4 to have fun again. Thank you, Wordless. I really feel like I'm hitting all of my potential as a software developer. All right, so we have a lot of good ones. So I guess we could do chakra as a maybe you will, maybe you won't sort of one. Let's find out what chakra is, so I don't say something dumb about it by accident. Like I think I recognize what the concept refers to. I just I don't want to say something dumb. All right, so so I did the mutating virus, but yeah, we could do that somehow. Hold on, I'll keep a separate log for the ones that are in progress. So the ones that are in progress are chakra. Actually, no, I'll put them in the same file. I'll just like make a note next to them. All right, so lava fish, I guess maybe you will, maybe you won't. But yeah, we have to fix these. So chakra, maybe you will, maybe you won't. Oh, I guess a bad one is like and cute animal get eaten by predator. Or no, I mean I just thought of that because the lava fish, so maybe I should try and, but whatever, it's an idea. I can always replace it later. Ooh, aura colors. Ooh, I like that one. Is that the same idea as chakra, or is it unrelated? I don't know enough about aura colors and chakra to know for sure. I'll put them next to each other at least for now. I like that one. I actually yeah, I really like that one, Raz. I like that. Ninja Assassin. I'm probably gonna adapt it slightly, but I like that. That was a very good example. All right. Oh yeah. Sorry. I should keep track of everyone who's submitting ideas because I will give you guys credit on this as well. So it's been Raz. Actually, as usual, if you guys, because I don't know how you want your name to appear in the credits. Like I don't know if you necessarily just want to use your Twitch name or whatever. So as usual, if you guys want your name in the credits for this one, if you could tweet at me how you want your name to appear in the credits, and sure, why not? What you want your job title to be? I don't know. I like, there's no reason not to let people choose their own job title in credits, in my opinion, so why not? Yeah. My Twitter handle is underneath the thing. Actually, I guess since this is relatively contained, I could also probably if you just said it in chat, I could probably keep track of it that way too. But, no promises. Tweeting it at me is the best way to get me to actually remember it. Alright, so yeah, let's, hold on, I haven't missed any. I don't know what a GRU is. Oh, but, the tough thing, well, alright, I'll look up what a GRU is. But that one might be, we would not be able to support that one with our game mechanics, because, if they press it, and then they don't get eaten by a GRU, like, what then, right, you know? Oh, wait, what is this? So, I mean, we can do something similar to this, but we definitely have to adapt it because, I mean, TTK said it outright. I was kind of dancing around it before. Like, all the ones that we have so far, like, press W to cause a star in a distant galaxy to explode. Like, the user presses W, and instantly they know that it worked. Kind of. So press something to unearth. So like yes. So typically they happen to. So like the rules for these so far, and like these don't have to be all of the rules, but the like basically what happens so far is it either happens so far away that you can't really detect it. It happens in the future, or it happens like in our subconscious. So it's not something that you can like really recognize outright. Or it happens in someone else's mind, so that it doesn't really happen outright. It happens to an unidentifiable party, so in that way, like it's not specific. It doesn't say which politician per se. So yeah, for the people who are submitting ideas, if you could stick to along those lines, like because we can take these ideas that are coming in and we can reshape them to kind of like fit this sort of theme, but unless they do fit this theme, then we probably won't be able to use them. Yeah, so like this happens on such a microscopic scale that it's a little hard to note. Press P to erode the underpinning. Yeah, so like this. This one's a little bit abstract, right? It's like you press and hold, and then you get that immediate sense, right? Anyways, so yeah. I like this one. I still don't know what a GRU is. Oh, and if it's something from like another intellectual property, I actually can't use it. But I assume we can always just change the term. But yeah, that's right along the lines, along the right lines, Fuzzy Boy. Also, yeah, the reason I'm putting in press whatever is because I'm gonna try and use the full alphabet. I'm gonna try and, or if not the full alphabet, I want to try and use like most of the alphabet. Oh, it's not actually it's a screensaver. It's like a screensaver. But like if you read the rules, like it does the game doesn't actually have to run as a screensaver. It's basically like it's a screensaver in whoops, oh yeah, I forgot I closed Unity, so I reopened Unity. It's a screensaver such that like if you hit like you can maximize it. Is oh whoops, no, not even like that. It's a screensaver in that like you can do oh, I thought you I thought there was a way to maximize it. Yeah, so it's the I don't know. It's not going to be like super polished. Although if I do figure out how to like export to a .scr file, then I mean I could I could make it a legit screensaver. But isn't it the case though that like there are I'm not actually working on it, Raz. But you know what, Raz? You know what? I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna say, like, get with the century, bro. Like dead projects or like projects okay, how am I trying to say this? Like, yeah, basically like projects were finished like last century, back before you could update things live. Projects never finish now because every project remains 100% live for the rest of its life and gets updated and receives like cool improvements and new features. That is an outdated way of thinking that you would ever actually finish a project. Every project lives forever in perpetuity. So there. Huh. All right. I forget what I was actually doing. Yeah, I mean, if I could actually figure out how to turn it into screensavers. Oh, you're right. So, well, I think back in the day there actually were screensavers that actually would persist through some level of interaction. And I think like you'd have to like hit escape or something to bring up like a password prompt or something like that. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure there was some way that screensavers could like accept some input without breaking. I could be wrong though. The DLC will be a little difficult because we'll have to implement the entire marketplace and commerce systems within the screensaver itself. That it'll be tricky, but we can do it. All right, so oh right, yeah. So right now, an assassin is closing. A trained ninja assassin is closing in. Oops, is closing in on your position. Press to trigger. Sorry, this is getting dark, you guys. I'm Googling aneurysm. Sorry. Oops. This is pretty brainy. Like most of the things are like brain related. And I think that's probably because I'm trying to like mess with the player's mind, and so I keep thinking of Alright. Alright, that's a lot less dark. Yeah, right? No, I like your way better. Well, yours originally did start out as kill, so that is what I was working from. The, if you press the ninja well slip on a banana peel, get really discouraged, give up, and go home. There we go. Much nicer. Too late. He got discouraged and went home. We can always change it later. Whoa, Fuzzy Boy. I don't know what those asterisks were, but I'm not. Oh, why do I say that? I always say that, and then people feel compelled to explain the asterisks. When in reality, I'm really glad that we'll just never know. Yeah. I should stop saying that, I think is the lesson here. Alright, did I, oh, pathfinding? Yeah, pathfinding is, press X to Jason. How can I spin that, though? I feel like... I'll put it on the list, but I think it needs a little something else before, wait, where did it go? Wait, did I just hallucinate that? Or is it like, someone mentioned press X to Jason. Anyways, well, okay, I'll put it on the list, and it'll be one of the, it'll be one of these. Jason. Okay. Zen Yeti, hey, how's it going? Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Oh yeah, we were talking about pathfinding and how that's an interesting challenge. I guess I actually don't really have much experience with that, so... Well, yeah, no, not really. So I probably wouldn't be the best to help out with that, but sorry, I'm just looking to see if I make sure I didn't miss any suggestions. I think I got most of them. If I missed one, feel free to say it again. Oh, all right. That. As far as things that you could have been trying to say, Fuzzy Boy, that's probably like the. That's probably. I'm really glad to hear you. That's the one you were trying to say. Yeah, we can. I'll say condemn. The soul of, for example. I might say something like that. All right, so condemn soul. All right, yeah. Let's start fleshing some of these out. Yeah, that one can be on the list. Make me giggle. I'll probably like adapt it slightly, but all right, yeah. So this is mine. I'll do it later. So yeah, let's find out what a grew is. I mean, you guys probably know what a grew is already. Oh, and the chakra one. Oh. Yeah. Was this the aura color one? Was it the same thing or a different thing? Ooh, wait, no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait! You guys! Trantor. We can do something with that. It's gonna change a lot, but we can do something with that one. Like, there's more asterisks every time I do this. Alright, oh, you guys, I have the perfect one for the chakra. Press. This is gonna be a special one, you guys. This is gonna be very special. Bam! What do you think? Press any key to shift the color. Yeah. Uh, that way we can let the user get creative with it themselves. I think that, yeah, I like that. I think that's gonna, just so yeah, to emphasize, I think that's gonna be a special one. I think that's gonna be the only one that uses any key. I really don't expect to put in another one that uses any key. I think that, yeah, because for the most part, I just want to fill up the keyboard. All right, so what are some other ones? All right, so uh, uh, hmm. Uh, um, so we're already so the politician one, we have one about making a politician sneeze, and we have one about striking a pang of fear and concern into the heart of a callous or arrogant tyrant. So I feel like we've covered a lot of that ground. We could definitely do something along those lines. Oh yeah, so sorry, yeah, the entire list isn't really visible all at one time, but I can sorry, I just have so many asterisks. I'm feeling like I should um so so all right, I'm gonna flesh some of these out, and then so there's something we can do with this. So I will put it on the list. I just this one will have to change a lot just because of all the things we're doing. Remind them of the broken promise. I'm gonna put in a maybe you will, maybe you won't type category because for one thing, I'm trying to cut down on the moral imperative ones, just because we don't want the people to feel obligated to just like, oh, hit key, hit key, hit key. You know, that'll get stale. So we want them to actually be thinking about whether to hit keys or not. So, oh yeah, and then there's another one, right? Wait, there's release the spirit, to please the spirits. Excuse me. Again, that I think that'll be like maybe you will, maybe you won't. Oh wait, no, that's the bad section there. Oh, we don't have very many in the bad section. Oh, maybe because I've been ignoring some of the ones in the bad section. For example, offer sacrifice to to Imhotep. I probably won't name any specific. I'll probably change it to something be like the dark deity of blood or something. I feel like that would be a popular one. Uh, uh, I'm gonna change it though. I'm gonna change all of these things. God. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So, another word for deity is blocked because people tend to use it. And actually, yeah. So we talked about this before. It's a little arbitrary to only put that word in to the chat filter for deity or like, you know, and a lot of other synonyms for the very same word. However, what occurred to me after we had that conversation, it's the only one that's come up. So yeah, sometimes it gets caught because people will say like Godspeed or whatever, but it actually gets caught because people use it in an offensive manner. So I decided to leave it in because it was so the chat filter was actually doing its job. It does tend to catch it on in other uses of the term as well, which is just how the nature of how that works. But yeah, it also stops people from using it in a manner that some people find offensive. All right, guys, have fun with that. I'm pretty sure if you say it as one word that it's actually okay to say. But yeah, if you say it as two separate words, it gets caught in the chat filter. Enough about the chat filter, though. Whoops. Oh, I forgot to... Alright, so yeah, the lava fish. I was going to say, on the molten rock surface of a distant planet, Uh, yeah. Sometimes when I get frustrated with how difficult strings can be sometimes in programming, I'm really tempted to just cut letters altogether, to just use numbers, because you can express most ideas using numbers and images. um, Hieroglyphics, right? We could just communicate that. Not to imply that hieroglyphics would be easier than like characters and strings. um, all right. So on the molten rock surface of distant planet, how do you? I want to. I basically want to convey the idea of like of a lava fish, like. But what precedes a lava fish? I'm like trying to. So like okay, so like one day there's a lava fish, right? Which is a little bit of a simplification. But what is it? What is this thing before that's a lava fish? It's just like a what do you call that? Like it's just like a lower level life form of some sort, because it's like a uh, I guess just a lower level life form. Uh, 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 so it's just like a small organism. Small organism may may no. How much? What am I trying to say? Basically, like there could be life on this planet. Is what I'm trying to say. There could be life on this planet, and then the conclusion will be something about like how there's a greater chance if you actually press a button. So on molten rock surface, a small organism a small organism could possibly adapt and thrive in this caustic environment. Its chances of survival will improve. Let's not bring survival into this. Its chances will improve if you press some key. I like it. um, that'll be the maybe you will, maybe you won't category. Yes, I think we got that pretty good, right? So I didn't call it out specifically as a lava fish, but on the molten rock surface of a distant planet, a small organism could possibly adapt and thrive in this caustic environment. To this caustic environment. No. Despite this caustic environment. Its chances will improve if you press blah blah blah. Alright, I'm gonna call that did. Press any key to shift the color of your aura. I might make this another any key. I know I said I wasn't going to, but gosh darn it if it isn't just clever. Alright, so press oh yeah, I still haven't looked up what a GRU is. Huh. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's like... So it's not like... There's kind of like a mythology to it. It's not just any... So Raz, you are now thoroughly up to speed with how this all goes. You now know pretty thoroughly what to expect from. Oh, cool. Okay, so yeah, you now know roughly what to expect from this stream. All right, so uh, all right, look out. There's a Gru lurking in that. There's a Gru lurking just down that. Wait, where do Grus live? They live in. Why do I think they live in tunnels or like caves? Yeah, it dwells in the dark. There's a Gru lurking just down that tunnel. Down that cave. Tunnel isn't really down that cave. Oh no, the poor adventurer cannot hear you from here. Press. Oh, Aeronscope. So I was trying to work on Journey, but it was being a jerk. And so I was debugging it, and then because it was being annoying and it wasn't even making sense, I decided to. So my friend is hosting a jam that it runs all this month. It's like a very casual sort of thing, and actually, I mean, it's open to anyone who feels like submitting something to it. It's called Flying Toast with Jam, and it's a jam to make screensavers. So we're making a screensaver. Yeah, it's funny. I earlier when we were working on this, I said to myself, "Hey, this reminds me a lot of Journey," and so yeah, we are doing something very similar in that we're. Yep, Jerkney. That is in fact the new title of the new working title of the game, Jerkney. Yeah, it was being frustrating. So yeah, we're working on this, which is yeah, it's also this one is 100% text based, and it will ship as text. Here, actually, I can run what we have of it so far. So it's a screensaver. It's a throwback to some classic screensavers. Here, it's actually 100% playable, and it has network connected, so you can actually play it from your keyboard right now. So you can actually like be playing it right now. I'll let it run for a second so that you have a chance to play it. So inside you right now, a unknown and shoot, I forget what it is. An unknown and relatively harmless virus is mutating into something more deadly. Press S to reverse this process. Remember your first crush? Press M, and for a fleeting moment, they will think of you too. Oh no, how many times did you press it? Did you reverse it too many times? Did you do a full 360? Yeah, so hopefully you're enjoying playing it. Wow, the colors are still really dark sometimes. I think I'm gonna brighten it up even further. Although, Raz, if you were listening, you didn't hear that, and it's not actually going to happen. Don't worry, I'm not actually still working on it, I swear. So, min color. Oh, I didn't actually increase it. Oh, I increased it while I was in play mode, so it didn't actually increase. Blurps. Alright, yeah, so it's important for me that, that some of them, maybe some of them you really want to hit, because you don't want to have missed it. Some of them you definitely don't want to hit because you'll feel bad if you'd hit it. But then some of them I want you to like actually like I want it to be different from user to user. So yeah. All right. All right. Yeah. So look out. There's a guru lurking just down that cave. Oh no, the poor adventurer can't hear you from here. Press something to. So what happens? Like to transmit your words of warning through the ether. Yeah, there we go. Right? Oh, condemning a soul. Who are we condemning? If it's just a random person. I'll come back to that one. Sorry, wait. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, thank you, Aaron. We talked about that actually, but then we decided that we kind of like how ugly it looks because it's supposed to be a throwback to like earlier times, back when yeah. So I forget if I said like the theme of the jam is flying toast with jam because it's a throwback to the flying toasters from After Dark way back once upon a time. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, wow. I'm going right from Notepad to oh, transit. Thank you. Yeah, I should probably drop this into something with spell check before. Oh, except transit is also a word, so oof. No, I'll probably just have to do very good copy editing in order to get this to work or get this good. I think wordless. I think that was my that was my exact phrasing, but I don't want to. Yeah, yeah, I'll probably want to do like an all-out like colored pass on it. Hey, we got a new follower. Alan Scope. Hey. Thank you for following. Are you two related? Yeah, no, I appreciate your viewership and your support. Thank you. As long as you don't mind eloping, because like real weddings are expensive, right? But yeah, eloping that sounds doable, right? It's not as good a bribe, I guess, right? But you know. All right, so sorry, this one's gonna get dark. People die every day. If you press blank, the next person to perish will serve as eternal sacrifice to the dark deity of blood. People die every day. Oh wait, it just occurred to me I've never made a violent game before, so I actually don't think I want to necessarily start now. But I guess we're not making a violent game because hold on, I'm just gonna do a violence path because it occurs to me I don't want that necessarily. Oh, so I don't want a cute animal to get eaten by a predator. No, that's natural. That's just life. Oh man. That is hilarious. Did you make this account just to set up that joke? Because like the first man Adam, that is a pretty oof. You think considering how gigglish I am, I'd be laughing harder right now, but like it's not even like hitting my funny bone. It's just like it's just ringing really loudly in my ear right now, as that is so incredibly clever. Um, there it goes. No, that is amazing. Thank you for that. Thank you for that very well timed practical comedy. um, so, so I think we kind of condemn the soul with that one too. So that was kind of like the combination of the two, or maybe if it was the same person, then that was. um, so, oh yeah, right. So, uh, Thulu, Thulu, huh? Wait, I'm not spelling it right, am I? Yeah, it's right because there's an extra H. Derps. Uh, Great old one. Uh, uh, all right, I'm gonna spruce up a few more of these. Oh, well, we have a few. We do have quite a few, and then I think this is probably good. I'm probably gonna yeah, I'm gonna probably polish up this list, and then we can uh, and then yeah, then we can get back to. We'll probably get back to Journey. To be honest, I'm feeling a bit peckish, so I'm gonna crack a bottle of tomato juice. Uh, I got a kind of like I kind of I got a kind. Excuse me. I got a kind of late start today. I don't think I actually went online until around like 2 o'clock or so, or like maybe like 1:30. But like, yeah, pretty not early. Whoa, what? The last thing you said, Vordalos, was eyes sideways, G's. Oh! Believe it or not, I didn't see that because it was in red. Yikes. Uh, Wait, deity is spelled that way? Huh. I think I just legit didn't know that one. Thank you. I'm smarter because of you. Vordalos, thank you. Vordalos, you saved me. Like, twice there. Blammo. Thank you. Uh... So, just to check, I haven't gotten any credits information from anyone. So I interpret that to mean that no one actually wants their name associated with this project, which is fine. Yeah, I guess we'll do the Jason joke. It's not fresh because, like I said, I think I was strongly influenced by this project for the press F to pay respects thing that went, and like and people making fun of the press F to pay respects things definitely unearthed the press X to Jason thing in their mockery. But I don't know. We'll see. It might make the list. It'll be really easy. Um, all right. Uh, Oh, wait. I know what this one is. It's not D, but it's press something to uh, um, uh, to imagine, uh, I'm going risque with this one, but I'm not, I'm trying to, I'm gonna try and keep it family friendly. Uh, Uh, oh no, how do we? Okay, so uh, your secret crush. Uh, press uh, Aardvark scope. What on earth is happening here? um, um, uh, your secret crush. Press blank to picture them. Hey, we got a new follow. Aardvark scope. Thank you. Bye. I appreciate your viewership and your support. So your secret crush. Press blank to picture them. To picture them. Yeah, so I'm trying to hit like racy without breaching like family friendly. What's a good euphemism like? To picture them. Okay, I'll just explain the joke. So your secret crush, press blank to picture them like, in as you might picture someone in like a salacious manner. And then in parentheses it'll be like, or just wait like several moments, or like, so the joke is like you don't actually have to press the button this time. Just because it has been mentioned, you will automatically kind of do that. Unnatural. Picture. Picture them. Whatever. Picture them in seductive attire. Or just wait a moment. Your secret crush, to picture them in seductive attire. To picture them in seductive attire, press blank or just wait a moment. Sorry, it was funnier in my mind. I don't know if that one will actually play, but yeah, no, I just want to be very literal with this one, because if they don't immediately get it, like if they don't get it by the time they've read halfway through the sentence, then the joke's not going to work. So yeah, all right. Anyways, press or if you press F, or if you you can see I say F because in my mind like this all started with F, but if you press F, or if you press blah, the creators of this game, the creators of this project will feel kind of good about themselves. So this is also the credits one. So this is where the credits would go on this project. Well, so the thing about that is that they probably didn't. They probably haven't pressed the button. The joke is that they don't have to press the button this time. The joke it's a psychological thing. It's like if someone tells you to, someone says your secret crush, picture them in seductive attire, like you're not going to do that. It's going to happen. Anyways, all right. So I don't know how we're gonna adapt this one. I might not, unless we get more clarity on that. I don't know. To please the spirits. Oh, well, I guess. I mean we could. I mean we could go fairly on the nose with this one and just do like press blank to honor your ancestors, which is kind of on the nose, just in that um um all right, hold on. Oh no, did I ignore you again, Bordelos? Ah! I'm sorry. Um, I also have Twitter open, so if I ever do accidentally ignore something that someone says, I have my notifications panel set up over there. So if I'm ever being a jerk, I mean, feel free to just call me a jerk. But if there's ever something urgent that um, all right, yeah. So yeah, I sure for warm, fuzzy feeling, press your face to the monitor. Yep. uh, I love you guys too. You guys are the greatest. I mean, I say it a lot, but you guys make this way more fun. Just everything's way cooler this way. With you guys here. So we have breaking news that that jerkface T. um, Sorry, Bordelos. um. All right, we're almost done. Oh, and then I'll just assign the keys real quick. So okay, so oh, how about press? I do like this one, but it writes a check that we can't cache. So press T to terminate. Press T to terminate a meaningless to terminate one of those meaningless processes running in the background on your computer. One of those, what are they, part of the OS or something? I don't even know what they do. Oh, meaningless. One of those, one of those, one of those, useless, or one of those, random, one of those, whatever, yeah, random processes running in the background on your computer. One of those, what are they, part of the OS or something? I don't even know what they're for. Yes, I got that one for a list. Are you proud of me? All right, so yeah, so how is it presented in the game itself? Heavy rain, Jason. Because did it actually? Of course, I don't want actual pictures of Jason. I want to see the scene with X to Jason. Is this it? Yeah, just X Jason. All right. So I might just put I might put this in as one. Right. That's fine, I think. But that means X is taken. Cute. Maybe I'll skip the cute animal getting eaten by predator. Well, I never did the violence pass. I'll do that when I do the lettering, I guess. Oh no. Oh, do you press X to Jason? Is that not? Yeah, I knew what that was. Who was it that kept saying X to Jason? Yeah, I know what that was. I guess so. Sorry, I think I just forgot that not literally everybody on the planet knows what X to Jason is about. Yeah, press X to Jason. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't be showing media on the stream, but all right, I can find this real quick. Jason, Jason. I think I found the clip. Sorry, I'm just finding the timestamp where. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry. Almost there. And t equals 60 s, I guess. Yeah. All right. Oh, oops. 61. Yeah. All right. Sorry about that. Super important. Oh right, yeah, and that was. So, how many do we have? Kind of a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think this is a good number. I might add more in later, but this is shippable. Yeah. So so this will be N. Hold on, I'm gonna shrink the font a little bit, just so that I can see them all on screen at the same time, and that way we can make sure we're not duping letters, because I don't want to reuse letters if I don't have to. All right, so W N E or P, maybe P for psychic. I'm trying to use like a word that I'm trying to use letters like as a. So wait, why is it W? Oh yeah, for white dwarf. So yeah, so people die every day. E for eternity. Oh, I do use the word eternal though. G for goat. Sorry. Oh, I did like the Thulu one. Thulu. Sorry. Actually, this will be N for nostalgia. Press G to make a politician sneeze. Oh yeah, G for Gesundheit. The molten rock surface of distant planet. Oh, L for lava fish. Or F for lava fish? F for lava fish. Oh no, F. Yeah, no, that's fine. F for lava fish. It got lucky number F, or letter F. Press press Q. No, we already used Q. No, we haven't used Q yet. We might have used Q lower down. Okay, press Q to terminate one of those random presses running in the background. My computer, one of those, what are they, part of the OS or something? I don't even know what they're for. I don't even know. X to Jason. Wait, we're not using X anywhere, right? Your secret crush. To picture them in seductive attire, press R. Am I using R yet? R for ow. Sorry. I know how numbers and letters work most of the time. If you press A for applause, I guess. Press R. I just used R. P. Am I using P yet? I don't think so. Oh no, P to transmit your words. M maybe for magic. Am I? Oh no. Press any key to add an entry to the key buffer. For a warm fuzzy feeling, press your face to the wall. Yeah. Inside you right now. Oh, am I using S anywhere? Did I reuse S? No, that's still good. Alright. P. Oh, P. I'm using P here. But we can, J. Oh no, J is right here. It's S. I'm using S. I'm probably using S. Right? Oh, I'm not using S? No, it must be, right? I'm just not seeing it. No, maybe I'm not using S. No, I'm using it right here. Right here. Alright. Oh, I can change this one. Press, so right now, an unknown and relatively harmless virus is mutating to something far more harmful and deadly. Press, I, to reverse the process. J, press, okay, hungry child. Find half an uneaten sandwich, cleanly wrapped and still a bit warm. Aww. That one's so sad. Oh no! Oh no! You guys, what if I did this? Would that be the worst? If I did that, I don't know if you can read it, but you know the formula, like press blank, whatever, blah blah blah. I changed it to if you press, but then instead of a letter, I put open brace error, close brace. So if you press error now, a hungry child will find half an uneaten sandwich, cleanly wrapped and still a bit warm. That's just mean, right? I shouldn't do that. That's mean. I probably should. I should use a different character for error. Raz, you got my back on this one. You're my partner in despicable abhorrent morals. I should probably move it to the end so as to really deliver the blow. A hungry child will find a half-eaten sandwich, clean wrapped and still a bit warm. If you press error now. Aww. That's true, Drantor. That's so. It's really more a comment on humanitarian efforts, really, right? Like it's a lampooning and a critical parody of the people who think that they can make the world better by pressing buttons. Yeah, I like that, Drantor. Deep. You can get, like, I was gonna say you can get a philosophical consultancy credit on this project if you want, but actually, in a much broader way, in a much broader sense, anyone can actually get any credit they want on this project just by telling me how they want to be credited on this project. All right, so oh right, this one has to be P. No, we're already using P. What are we using P for? Oh, P to honor your ancestors. Oh, no, F. Oh, wait, this does have to be F. Which one? Which other one was using F? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lava fish. Am I using K? I'm literally running out of letters that I can use here, and so just to explain, this is the lava fish one, and the reason I'm using K is because wait, yeah, I assume I'm already using T somewhere, right? And it's a call out to TTK. Oh, am I not using T? I can just use, no, am I not using T? I guess I can just use T. Alright, yeah, T. So yeah, this is the lava fish one, and so usually I'm trying to like come up with some like loose connection why each letter would get chosen, but no, for this one, well, no, yeah, for this one it's TTK. Is the all right. All right, I think cool. Oh yeah, and right, so the ninja. Oh yeah, and this is the one I want to use P for, right? Yeah. P for pratfall. All right. All right. So now I'm gonna update. Yeah. Wait. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 big ones. No, not 205. Why does it always do that? I select everything in order to paste over it, and then I paste and it, or like input text, and it just it's just anyways. Oh, I didn't do the, I didn't actually do I didn't actually look over for violence. Because I don't feel like adding violence to this game. Sorry, this is the boring part where I just copy. Hey, we got a new follower! Mods Lover! Thank you for following. Welcome to the party. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Yeah, this is the less exciting part where I just copy some stuff over for a little while. Shouldn't take long. Should not take long at all. So bleep bloop bleep blop doop dop doop. Sorry, I don't know. Like, I know what my thought process is there. My thought process is literally, oh no, you're not saying anything, and then that's literally the end of my thought process, and then all of a sudden, well, you know what the results are. I I'm working on it. I'm getting better. I think I'm doing that less often. Um, all right, we're almost there. Four more to go. Four more to go now. No, I counted wrong last time. Three more to go. Uh, uh, two more to go. Oop, nope, not that. Copy. I was doing so well. Uh, there we go. We did it, you guys. We did it. Save. Save, save, save. Mint Arcade, hey! How's it going? Welcome. Yeah, I'm doing well, thanks. We just made a game. Here, I'll run it now so we can, we just made a whole game, start to finish. It's actually, I hooked up all the network stuff, so you can actually play it from your computer right now. It's actually, yeah, it's actually playing on your computer right now. All you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. I don't know if you can read it from, I don't know if you can, hopefully the font's big enough that you can read it from there. But yeah, it's totally running. It totally works. We just finished the whole thing. Yeah. You can't read chat while I have after I take a sip of something, because it's really just a matter of time before I do a spit take. If I do a spit take with tomato juice, it's gonna be really unfun to clean up. It's gonna look like a crime scene. um, oh wow, we got that one. Like, that was the first one we got, and then we got it again. So maybe I should beef up the randomness so that it doesn't act, so you can't get, like, yeah, so maybe like there are a few that you can't get. Yeah, that's fine. Or no, maybe I just don't care. What's the best way to do this? No, I can use the system that didn't work in the other project that I made, but totally should work. Yeah, I'm gonna try the system that didn't work for my other game, but totally should have worked, and it'll work for this one. Hey, Rich Jr. How's it going? Welcome. We're doing all right. We just made an entire project, start to finish, and yeah. Now we're just, well, okay. So I guess we're like tweaking a few extra things, but Oh man, TTK. Oh man. That would be amazing. Oh man. Alright. So, oh yeah, alright. So, yeah. There's this thing, but then, right, okay, so, right, so, sorry, I'll stop saying right. So, I'll stop saying so. Public bool done equals No, it equals nothing. On start, oh yeah, we can stop printing this too. On start, done equals new bool length scroll dot length. Oh, not scroll dot length. Phrases dot length. Phrases dot length. Yes, and then so right. So if so then while right. So int next phrase equals random, etc., etc. While oh no, length minus 1 this time. While done next phrase next phrase equals next next phrase plus 1 modulo where's the percent sign? There it is. Wow, why did that take me so long to find? Done dot length. Thanks autocorrect. Thanks for nothing. Or autocomplete. What? Oh, whoops, yeah, I didn't. Derps. Bool array. There we go. So right, so what happens is we pick a random one, and then until we find one that hasn't been done, like if it's already been done, then we skip to the next one, and we keep skipping to the next one until we find one that hasn't been done. And once we find one that hasn't been done, then we'd say that one equals done. So done, next phrase equals true, and yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and then oh wait, no, yeah, one more thing. So int init equals next phrase. So right, yeah. We also have to say if next phrase equals init, like if it looped all the way around, then that means we have to start over. So oh, whoops, yeah. What am I doing? If next phrase equals init, then break. Yeah, just straight up break. What are you complaining about? There's nothing wrong here, I assume. There's probably nothing wrong here. Yeah, you're weird. There's nothing. Oh, I forgot. Okay. And then right. So then right. So actually, if next phrase equals init. Oh. So no, actually, I can just do it here. Yeah. If next phrase equals init, then okay. So that, yeah, there'll be two things that we do here. We will break, but first we will say done equals new bool of this length. So we basically reset it. So this way it'll keep randomly picking ones, but it won't repeat options until we've gone through literally all of them. Yes, alright. Thank you for letting me know it wasn't an array autocomplete. That is true. I'm grateful for that. I try and code French. I like the French style of coding. Oh, you mean facial expression. I try and look French. I like the French style of having a face. Alright, so did I make that? Yeah, I made it public just so that we can see it work. Wait, what? Curve phrase? Is that true? Oh, right. Right, yeah, because we don't... Yeah, right, we only used to use it in the old system. Wait, no, what? Oh, right, yeah, okay. So we don't even have to set it anymore. Yerp. Save that. they're trendsetters. All right, so yeah, now this list should just get slowly ticked off. It should get more and more ticked off as time goes on. I'm gonna just zoom it up so that way we can see it. We can see it go. So each time something goes by, we should see it tick something, which seems to be the case so far. Some of them are really long though. Yeah, and we should always see something tick. And then once they're all ticked, then it should go to it should start over. Almost there. Yeah, survey says. Wow, that was a long one. Here we go. Yay, look at that. Yay, we did it. We did it, you guys. Yeah, for some reason in my other project this didn't work, but... Oh no, this wasn't the thing that didn't work in my other project. So I don't know why I thought of that other thing in my other project that didn't work. But, oh man. Mwah! I should have guessed. Mwah! 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 Cool. Cool. Oh yeah, right. So another thing is, well, I don't have to actually have that thing public. I was only doing that just so we could see that it was working. So save that. And then what was the other thing? Oh yeah, right. So I'm not going to build it yet, but project settings, build settings, project settings, web player settings, run in background, right? I don't know, because whatever. I don't care. So anyways, save this. Save project. Texture 2D. Texture 2D. I don't know. Cool, we did it, guys. Oh, thank you. Yeah, actually, you know what? I mean, I guess I might as well build it so that, because I mean, I'm probably actually not going to add anything to it. That probably is the final build. All right, so yeah, why not? I'm going to switch over to Facecam while I make a build. Hey! Oh, sorry. I keep forgetting I shouldn't make stupid faces when I'm on Facecam because my stupid faces are going to be like huge and overwhelming. But let's see. We can build. What do we call this? Matter. We call this problem matter in case anyone cares because it matters so much. It's spelled M-A-T-R, and that's because this project matters so much. It's so important that that's where that name came from. If anyone oh, why didn't that come out as a huh? Oh man. This is me being incredibly cute, apparently. I have a different word to describe how I look in that one, but we'll go with cute. Thank you, Wordless. These are Wordlesses, by the way. Just, you probably all knew that already, but yeah, just to be clear. Thank you, Wordless. Alright, so I'm on Facecam. I should hurry up. Alright, so, what was I doing? Yeah, right, so, making a new thing. Matter. Oops, spelled that wrong. Mart is not the name of this project. Oh, and I made a file instead of a directory. Yikes. I'm not with it right now. Create new directory. M-A-T-R. There we go. Oh, and I need to do the shma. Sorry, this will not take too much longer, I assure you. copy this, paste this, edit this, get rid of the text, because we don't want any text. Save that. Oh yeah, rename it. MATR. Save that. Test this. How's it look? What? Oh, whoops. Derps. Sorry, I should have, Oh, no, is this working? Oh, no, this is not working. I'm terrible at this, apparently. Sorry, I built it in the wrong aspect ratio. It would have been correct to guess at what dimensions I usually use for a given project, except that I use different dimensions than usual. 384. Yeah. Alright, build again. Sorry, this won't take much longer. But then there'll be a playable build. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways. Those are words. Those are words. Those are totally words. Alright, delete that. Copy this. Yes. Build. Test that. No, why are you still doing that? Why you do that? Why are you doing that? Why? Oh, I know why. Derp. Because, right. Because I always made, oh man. Yeah, no, I always made, like, all my projects up till now had all been the exact same aspect ratio, so it never really occurred to me to edit the, wait, what? No. No. Alright, thanks for tuning in, Mintercade. It was good to see you. So wait, what the heck is going on? Does this one work? This one works, I guess. Technically. Ugh, fine, whatever, I'll just hack this one, I guess. Oh man, I just started up the project and the very first one was, people die every day. Oh, how did I use offline? Because I do use the word offline in stupid ways sometimes. I forget what I had said though. Alright, wait, no, I know what I can do. I can edit this really quickly. I just have to, yeah, no, this is easy. Super easy. Bam. Alright. That should be good. Nope, not quite yet. Almost there. Getting there. Edit with notepad. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, there we go. This should work. This should work, you guys. Almost there. We're so close. Except that is an atrocious background, and I cannot abide it, so I have to change the background color to black. Because otherwise I might die. Where's that determined? Come on, where's that determined? Where's it determined? Oh, background color black. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're doing it, you guys. We're doing it. We're basically there. Basically there. Basically. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh, wait, one more thing. Whoops. Sorry. I wouldn't have done this if I realized it would have taken so long. I would have just, like, skipped it. Gone on to the next thing real quick. Alright, where's the build called? Where is it? Where are you? I know you're in here somewhere. Oh, okay, I think I found it. Alright, Alright, alright. And I said this a lot, but I think we're like actually good in real life now. Quick start. Alright, whatever, I'm not gonna test it anymore. I'm just gonna upload it and hope that it works. Create new directory, P1. Alright. Alright, here we go. Totally gonna work, right? Totally gonna super work all the time, first try, everything. MATIR. Yeah, it's working. Alright. We did it, you guys. We can get off stupid face cam, finally. Whew. That was close. That was a close one. I almost didn't make it, but we did. We super made it. Oh yeah, I should link to it in chat. Hey Emerald, how's it going? Oh, sorry. I was really just super distracted. Oh wait, hold on, cancel. Yeah, why is it? No, I should be using fixed resolution 4.3 F, which is 512 by 384. I think that was probably what went wrong. That ended up taking so much time to fix. Alright, file, save, projects, y'all. Cool. Oh man. Oh, new notification. Oops, hold on, sorry. Matter. So if anyone's curious to see it, there it is. Oh, cool. I will check that out. TTK, thank you for sending that over. I'll add it to my list of things to check out. In fact, should I share the link with chat, or is it private? If it's private, then no one look. No one look. No one look. It's private, possibly. Oh, I forgot if I think I must have said it right. I loaded it up, and the first one I got was people die all the time. Oh. Oh wait, what did I miss in chat? Mint Arcade took off. Oh, what did you say? Oh, okay, sorry. I didn't understand what was going on because I was only half paying attention to chat. I do, and the reason I thought you were talking to me is because I use the time in silly ways sometimes, so that totally would have been something. Yeah, sorry I didn't say hi sooner, Emerald. Hey, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, gosh, I was in Facecam for like years, wasn't I? That was the worst. I'm so sorry. I should probably turn off the camera for a little while to give you guys a break from my face. Alright, so yeah, and then the other thing that we're going to do now that we finish this project is to, I think we're going to get back to, we're going to give that old crazy jerk knee project another chance. I guess. We have to. And we don't have to, but I don't know. I want that project to work. I like that project. I like the errors we were getting before. So dumb. They were like crazy dumb. Like I don't even. Oh, anyways. All right. So yeah, let's get caught up on chat. So. I'm glad that one person got to enjoy the full screen face cam. Oh yeah, later man. All the buttons 100% totally work. They all super guaranteed to work, I swear to you. I swear. I'm sharing the thing. I'm sharing the thing. Is this still my clipboard? Yeah, there we go. This is the thing. I'm so sorry. I was catching on my chat, but this is the thing that TTK asked me to share. And apparently Raz is really excited about it. CP1414, hey, welcome to the chat. How's it going? We just made a project, start to finish, for a jam that I decided to participate in, despite the fact that I decided on Sunday that I never want to do a jam ever again. I'm just linking to it again in chat. This is a project that we just did. It was for a jam called, oh, do I still have it open? No, I closed it. It's called, Flying Toast with Jam. Flying Toast with Jam, and it's a jam to make I guess I can turn the camera back on. You guys probably had time to wash out your eyeballs. It is a jam to make a screensaver, to make screensavers as an ode to like the Flying Toast with Jam is a nod to the flying toasters of the After Dark screensavers from so many years ago. So yeah, this is my contribution, or our contribution, because I only came up with like several of the things, but together we came up with like pretty much all of those in the past like hour or two. Yes, and it's going to be fully live updated with DLC and all like wonderful like seasonal content. We're going to have a competitive PvP league with no none of those things. Yeah, I guess I could even submit it now, but that's going to be boring, and I'll do that off camera. Maybe I'll tell my friend that I have a working version of it, so you can check it out. Sure. Or no, I'll just wait till later. No, I'm gonna do that now. Would you guys mind if I just quickly message my friend to just to let him know that I have a working version of the game up and running, or the project up and running? It won't take long. So, hey, Inurashiya. I just finished the first, quotes, playable, build of, I just finished a first playable build, for, Flying Toast with Jam. Not ham. Flying Toast with ham. Something far different. Sorry. Actually, let me just, I forget if there's like a tag for it. I don't think so, but just checking. Bleep bloop, bleep bloop bloop. Sorry, this is really boring. But so I guess I'll call this like a brief intermission, and then we'll get right back to it. Oh, cool. All right, wait. So hold on. Oops. Wait. What? I can control both of my computers with the same mouse, but it's highly flawed. The software that regulates that. Flying Toast with Jam. This time I will submit way before the deadline. Last time I made a game for one of this guy's jams. I waited till the very last minute, and then the build it just didn't work for some reason. Like I ran into like technical difficulties, and so I got disqualified. Whoops. Wait, is this? Looks weird on my other computer. Or maybe it looks normal, and I'm just not used to seeing things on my other computer. It probably looks normal. Yeah, it looks normal. I'm just not used to seeing things on my other computer. Yeah. So I'll assume that that's good. Yes, mouse without borders, and it mostly works. It mostly works quite good. But oops. But then I don't know, it just weird things. Sometimes it doesn't copy from one computer. Sometimes my clipboard doesn't work from one computer to the other, and sometimes if I'm clicking and holding and dragging, it'll reset the drag in the middle of it. Wait, I just need to shorten this message real quick. Hey Inarashi, I just finished a first playable build for flying toast with jam. I will submit early this time. Earlier. Sorry. Yeah, I should just move back to doing something more interesting, because I'm sure you guys don't find this interesting at all. Whatever. I'm not. Sorry. I'm just gonna leave off the second sentence. So intriguing. I'm sure you guys all find this to be totally. Yeah, sorry. Okay, sorry. That was the longest, boringest, dumbest thing that I hope I ever do on camera. With any luck, that will have been the longest, dumbest, most boring thing that I ever do on camera. So, with no further ado, wait, what did I miss on chat? I'm sure something. Boop 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 da boop blah bloop blah bloop da bloop blah. Okay. Nope. Sorry. So. Yeah, you guys would get super alcohol poisoning if you tried that game. So drink responsibly. Alright, so yes, back to it. Back to the thing with the stuff. And the journey bot, and the adventures, and the good times. So, so the last thing we did before switching gears was to... Actually, no, the last thing we did before switching gears was to make a whole bunch of, harumph. And by we, I mean I made a whole bunch of, disappointed, not, supremely displeased, expressions towards the project. But then after we went and worked on that other project for a little while, we came back and we stuck in a few extra prints and stuff to get a little more data. So now with any luck, we will be able to get a little extra information about what is going wrong here. I'm especially interested to find out, what the second print will do. So let's just fire it up and find out. I really need a way to deactivate graphics for this game.